I want to put you on the spot a little bit, bring you up full screen. I want you to tell me your top 3 Wirecast features.
Top 3 Wirecast features: NDI output for program out anywhere you go.
Nice.
Rendezvous.
Nice.
Yeah, it's a auto program out. Rendezvous. It has simplified so many workflows that, I mean, they're innumerous between house of worship, business, corporate, sports, everything. Rendezvous, number 2. Number 3, I have to say, this is a kind of a general one. It's the UI. And until you click the stream button and your heart rate goes through the roof, you'll realize, like, oh, it is so easy to navigate, to use, to switch. So the third one's a big one. It kind of covers a lot, but I have to give it to the UI.
I want to dwell on that one a little bit because I want to call it not just the UI, but the user experience. A lot of other programs that are out there are equally or more powerful or differently powerful, but they require a lot of getting used to. Some of them require extensive training, online training. Some of them really come where you got to set up everything from scratch and, you know, it takes a while to build your show. Wirecast really is the quickest thing to get up and running. And what I've also found is with people who are kind of computer literate but not video literate, they can take to operating Wirecast much easier. So if I as an expert or you as an expert sets up a Wirecast show that you want to volunteer or a student or a newbie to operate, you could probably teach them how to run the show in 15, 20 minutes. And probably after a couple of shows, you could teach them how to set up the whole show. It really is, it's not that it's intuitive and simple. It's that what I like to say is the stuff that I need is towards the top. It's not buried and hidden. So the tools that you use most of the time are right there on the Wirecast interface. I have a question.